Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alba and this is my first video about hair. So in this video I would like to talk about the L'Oreal Colorista one. Is the permanent color called Cherry Red. I would like to say about this color, it's amazing. I really love this color. It doesn't damage my hair at all. It lasts longer and it's not that expensive. So really worth it when you mix all that together. Yeah, I don't have really much to say about this. So in this video I just would like to show you how my hair looks like after I apply the color. I'm using as well the Mythic oil with Dry Remedy mask Aveda one. I mix it normally together and I just apply on my hair, and then I just use the diffuser to define my curls. It really helps like to mix it together to get a really moisturizer for my hair. So I would recommend it to people who has like really dry hair, afro, curly. I'm not really recommend it for maybe a straight hair, not the Dry Remedy mask, but maybe the oil, because it's really good to repair the hair. So I hope guys you like the video, and yeah, just subscribe to my channel, and thanks so much for watching.